Hey you guys, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure that you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated every time that I post. In today's video, I'm showing y'all how I transformed my spare guest room into my new glam room. So let's get started. So I just moved, so this guest room and hallway are both pretty cluttered with stuff that I have not had the chance to unpack yet. So I'm going to start off by stocking up my closet with some of my recording equipment like my cameras, tripods, backdrops, and all that kind of stuff whenever I need it on hand. So now after clearing up a little bit more space, I'm going to get my fiance to help me move my vanity to this blank wall right here. I want this area to be just my vanity area, so I'm just going to have my desk that I built in that DIY video with the vanity mirror that I built. And I'm going to move my clothing rack over here for the time being just to clear out some space. I'm also putting this spare shoe rack that I had in my last apartment in this closet. I don't know if I'm going to use it for shoes yet or more recording equipment. Now it is time to do the hard part. I'm about to start building this room up from the floor up. So I'm starting off with this small little IKEA table that I actually ordered from Amazon. I think it was around 30 or 40 bucks. I'm going to link everything in the description box below. I have never built anything from IKEA before, and to my surprise, it was much easier than a lot of people say building IKEA equipment is to build. Now I'm going to put together this couch that I actually ordered 3 months ago. It was on a sale, so I ordered it and I stashed it away, and now I'm just hoping and praying that it was not damaged whenever it was shipped out because it's way past the return date. So this is a cute little white leather couch that I ordered. I forgot which website I ordered it from, but putting this together was actually really easy. At first I was kind of confused on how to put the arms and the back of the couch together. But after a lot of maneuvering, I got it, you guys. Then the pillow part of this sofa just pops right into the base seamlessly, and luckily enough this couch did come with 2 pillows, so I didn't have to go out and buy any white pillows for it, but I did buy some decorative pillows from one of my favorite places to shop, Ross. Shop for less, you guys, whenever you're shopping for home decor. So I got a set of blush pink pillows from them, and then one separate blush pink pillow with this white embroidery on it that you're going to see at the end of the video. I'm also centering this blush pink rug that I ordered from off of Amazon in front of my couch because I love how this color combo goes together. Pink is one of my absolute favorite colors. Now my fiance is helping me move my mirror. I actually had this unboxed in my last apartment, but always save your boxes whenever you plan on moving, you guys. It makes moving so much simpler. And we're just going to position this in the corner of the room because I feel like this area is where I'm going to be doing a lot of try-on hauls on this side of the room. And he got this mirror on my birthday. He ordered it off of Amazon. I have been eyeing it for a while. I believe it cost around 250 bucks. So I was super excited when he got it for me. But you guys don't have to spend $250 on a mirror. You can build your own, which leads to this next segment. I am positioning my vanity mirror that I actually built myself for under 150 bucks. A lot of you guys have asked me, how do I keep my mirror standing, because it is a little bit top heavy. As you see, I have a couple of pieces of spare wood that I got cut off of the mirror before I even assembled it. I actually stacked those up on top of each other on the mirror's bottom back baseboard, which holds it up so it does not fall down, but you can mount it to your wall if you need to. There's a bunch of different accessories that you can buy from Lowe's, Home Depot to mount your mirror to your wall. Now this project took me a few days to complete, so you will see me going through different outfits to finish off this glam room. Here I am just mounting a small TV that I actually got from Walmart. It was around 100 bucks because I do plan on spending a lot of time in this room editing, recording, and I do like to watch Netflix and YouTube whenever I do that stuff, so a TV is a huge convenience for me. I'm in Home Goods now and I picked up this little trash can. I think it's really cute for my glam room, and it is only $9.99, so $10 for that. There's also these really cool little notebooks here. This one caught my eye because this one is actually called a gratitude journal, and it made me stop and think about how much I don't take time out of my day to be grateful for things. Actually take advantage of it, jotting down things that I'm grateful for. So I'm gonna get some stuff from Walmart now because they have like the most affordable stuff. These little lamps at Walmart. More of the idea I was going for, something that's standing up. So here I am putting together this desk that I also got from Amazon. This was the absolute hardest thing that I have ever had to put together. I actually had to reassemble this 3 times because the directions were all pictures and they weren't even drawn right. And the actual knobs that they came with were made out of brass. I went to Walmart and bought these crystal knobs. They were really cheap. They're like $3 because I wanted that white crystal theme going on. This is also a chair that I ordered from Amazon. This was the easiest thing that I put together in the room, I believe. Just pop the wheels in and then pop the chair on top of the base and adjust it as needed. Now I'm adding some decor. I picked up this picture from Burlington. Burlington is also one of my favorite places to shop because it's just like Ross, a shop for less type of store. This is the lamp that I got from Walmart for around $6. Some of the tablets that I already owned and the 2 that I picked up from Home Goods. I also got this little flower pot from Home Goods. It was actually more on the pricey side. It was $20 for this little pot, but it matched the picture that I have hung up so well that I just felt like I had to get it. I got the other flower pot from Ross for only $6, and this calendar was around $10. So on the last day, I put together the last piece of furniture, which was a tiny little side table that I got from Amazon. This one already came with a tiny little crystal knob, so it kind of fit my decor perfectly. It wasn't all that hard to put together like the other desk that I got. That was hell to put together. And on top of it, I placed a lamp that I got from Target, another picture that I got from Ross, and a matching flower pot to the other one. I bought 2 whenever I bought that one. Now the final piece of decor that I got was from Home Goods. It is this beautiful picture of the sunset on the beach. My fiance helped me center it and hang it up. So this is my final reveal of my glam room. Now for the room tour. A couple of biblical quotes here and there for inspiration. This is the area where I will have all my filming equipment in my closet. My clothing rack for try-on hauls and stuff like that, and my DIY vanity that I built in 2 separate videos. Here is a small little tour of a collection of some of the things that I have on my desk from my ColourPop Disney lipstick collections to my collectible Kingdom Hearts cup. Some lip glosses that I don't even really use. Some pictures hung up with more biblical verses and more lipsticks. Here is my little editing office desk area. I feel like everyone should have a desk to do work with because in my last apartment I didn't have one. My floor mirror, which I'll be using for loads of selfies and more try-on haul purposes, and then this couch for me to just chill, relax, do a little bit more editing, watch some TV, film a couple of videos, and that is it. So that's all that I got for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be updated every time that I post. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.